A progressive wave of frequency 50 hertz. A progressive wave of frequency 50 hertz is traveling with a velocity 350 meter per second. With a velocity 350 meter per second through a medium. Question number 1. Find the phase difference between two particles. Phase difference between two particles separated by 7 meter. Delta is equal to what? When x is equal to 7 meter. And question number 2. The change in phase means again delta. The change in phase at a given point in time interval of 0.005 second. Phase difference or change in phase in a time interval of 0.005 second. What does this mean? This is a simple harmonic progressive wave, right? As you move onwards, आगे आगे जाएंगे, the particles lag behind in phase. तो suppose this particle and this particle, ये दो particles हैं जिनके बीच का distance है x. When you look at the wave, when you look at both the particles simultaneously, दोनों particles की तरफ एक साथ देखो, तो इन दोनों particles के बीच में phase difference है. There is phase difference between these two particles, and that phase difference is given by 2 pi x by lambda. But in the same wave, suppose if you are looking at this particle, उसी wave में आप इस particle को, किसी भी एक particle को आप देख रहे हो. When you look at this particle, it was at this point. Go on looking at the same particle. अब पूरी wave की तरफ मत देखो, केवल इस particle को देखो. कुछ समय बाद ये particle यहाँ पर आएगा, फिर यहाँ पर जाएगा, फिर नीचे आएगा, and it will be keeping on oscillating. So as the time changes, the phase of the particle will go on changing, है ना? इसी particle की phase क्या होगी? Change होगी जैसे जैसे समय change होगा. So you are asked to find out the change in phase in a time interval of 0.005 second. मतलब जब आपने देखा तो यहाँ पर था, 0.005 सेकंड के बाद में सपोज वो यहाँ पर था, तो इन दोनों में phase difference कितना है? That you have to find out, and that phase difference with respect to time is given by 2 pi t by t. इसी को हम अगर कैलकुलेट करें, ओके, 2 pi x by lambda को अगर हम डिराइव करें, you directly come to this delta is equal to 2 pi t by t. You remember this formula directly for your calculations. This t is the time and capital T is the periodic time of the wave. So first answer, you have to find delta, which is 2 pi x by lambda. X is known, lambda is not known. In place of lambda, you can write v by n, or first you can find the value of lambda. या तो यहाँ पे lambda की जगह v by n लिखो, या पहले lambda की value find करो v by n, and then put it here. You'll get the value of delta. Then for second question, delta is 2 pi small t by capital T. So here small t will be 0.005 second and capital T will be 1 by n. Period and frequency, they are reciprocals of each other. So capital T is 1 by n. So directly you can put 50 here, put the values and calculate the answer. So next question now. Write the equation of the wave having amplitude 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now values are given and you have to write down the equation. So the question is, write the equation of the wave, and what is given? Amplitude is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. The amplitude of the wave is given. Wavelength lambda is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay. And speed v is equal to 50 meter per second. And the wave is traveling along the positive direction of x-axis. So when the wave is traveling in the positive direction of x-axis, what is its equation? Y is equal to a sine 2 pi t by t minus x by lambda. This is the equation of a wave. Y is equal to a sine 2 pi t by t minus x by lambda. Here lambda is given, a is given, capital T or n is v by lambda, or you can say capital T is equal to lambda by v, right? That is equal to lambda is given to be 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon v is 50. So 50 into 2 into 2, that will be equal to 3 2s are 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 50 into 2, 100. This 10 raised to 2 goes to the numerator, becomes minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So n is 6 into 10 raised to, sorry, capital T is 6 into 10 raised to minus 4 second. You got the value of capital T. So all these values you'll put in this equation. So this equation will become y is equal to a, that is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2, correct, sine 2 pi into bracket t by capital T, t by capital T, correct, minus x by lambda, 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. So this will be the equation of the given wave. That will be your answer. Or if it is given in another form for MCQ, you can change it, right? जैसे हमने अलग अलग फॉर्म्स देखे हैं वेव इक्वेशन के, यू कैन राइट डाउन इट इन एनी फॉर्म. हमने जनरल फॉर्म में लिखा उसको a sin 2 pi t by t minus x by lambda. The next question. A simple harmonic progressive wave of amplitude 10 centimeter. A simple harmonic progressive wave of amplitude 10 centimeter and frequency 1000 hertz, and frequency 1000 hertz is traveling with a velocity of 348 meter per second. Velocity of 348 meter per second. Find the displacement of a particle. Displacement of a particle means what? Y. Particle ki displacement, it is shown on y axis. Displacement of a particle, that is y. The distance of 1.74 meter. The particle which is at a distance of 1.74 meter from the origin. Origin से 1.74 meter पर, मतलब position of the particle is given x, which is equal to 1.74 meter. After 1.001 second, means time is equal to 1.001 second. Right? First of all, check the system, because now we have to make the calculations. So 10 centimeter, that is 10 raised to minus 1 meter. 10 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is 10 raised to minus 1 meter. This is in hertz, meter per second, meter second. Now it's okay. Then, first of all, we can find out lambda, v by n. V is 348 upon n is 1000, 10 raised to 3. So lambda is 348 into 10 raised to minus 3, or you can say lambda is, if you shift the decimal, 0.348 meter. That is the value of lambda. And what you have to find out, find क्या करना है हमको? We have to find out y. And what is the formula for y? Y is equal to a sine 2 pi t by t minus x by lambda. So that is equal to, a is given to be 10 raised to minus 1 sine 2 pi into bracket small t is 1.001 upon capital T is reciprocal of n, 1 by n. So this is t by t minus x is 1.74 by lambda, that is 0.348. Is it right? We are going to find out the value of y. So y is equal to 10 raised to minus 1 sine 2 pi into bracket multiplication of these two, 1001 minus 1.74 upon 3.48 into 10 raised to minus 1, decimal shifting, 3.48 into 10 raised to minus 1, that is 10 raised to minus 1 sine 2 pi 1001 minus 1.74 का डबल 3.48, 1 by 2 means 0.5, 1 by 2 means 0.5, and this 10 raised to minus 1 will go up 10 raised to plus 1, 0.5 into 10 raised to plus 1, that is 5. So 1001 minus 5, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 1 sine 2 pi into 1001 minus 5, that is 996, correct? 996 plus 5 will be 1001. So 10 raised to minus 1 sine 2 pi 996. Now we know that sine of 2 pi is how much? 0. Sine of 2 into 2 pi, 0. Sine of 3 into 2 pi, 0. Means sine of n into 2 pi is 0. So sine of this angle, sine n into 2 pi is equal to 0. So everything will become 0. So displacement of the particle y is equal to 0 at that particular time. देख लो इसको अच्छी तरह से एक बार.